In this video, we're going to have a look at domain and range. It's really important to remember two things. Is two of our signs. So this is greater than or equal, greater than, and it's represented by an open circle. This one is represented as greater than or equal to, and it's a closed circle. So really important to remember that. The domain of a relation is the x values. The range relates to the y values. Range is the y. So each function has a domain and a range. If you look at the example here, if I look at my domain, so my x values, I can see that x starts at -1 and goes up forever and ever. So our notation is our brackets. So for all values of x where x is greater than or equal to -1. We can see for the y, so our y-axis, that it goes as low as 3. But for every value, it keeps going up and up and up forever. So y is greater than or equal to -3. And again, we represent it. Y belongs to, y is, for all values of x, y is greater than -3. Let's look at a couple of examples here. So I can see for my domain. So x must be less than 8. Less than or equal to 8. And then for my range, it must be greater than or equal to -2. You can see this point here, it doesn't play a role because the values still go higher and they still go wider. This is just what we call a local maximum. For our second graph, we can see for x belongs to any real number. Because it could be, it goes on and on, positive and negative forever. For our range, it must be greater than or equal to, because we've got a closed circle here, -1. So you can see that our x can be as wide as we like, but our y never goes below that -1. Have a go, and good luck.